This tutorial review will show you how to change Facebook name and URL. First of all, open your Facebook and click on your profile here. Click on Settings and Privacy. Settings. Select here your profile tab and click on Name. And now from here you can change your Facebook profile name. Once you changed, make sure to click on Review Change, and it may ask you to verify your Facebook account using your password, so verify it. Now to change your Facebook URL, you will get this username option here, so click on Edit. And now from here you can change your Facebook URL, then click on Save Changes, and that's how you can change Facebook name and URL. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.